Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Noorani Qaida and lesson number 1. In this lesson, I am going to teach you how to pronounce the Arabic alphabets with the help of pictures. Kindly copy these pictures and my pronunciation. So let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Alif. Kindly read after me. Alif. Alif comes from whole mouth. To pronounce Alif. Alif. This is Ba. Kindly read after me. Ba. Ba comes from wet portion of lips. To pronounce Ba. Ba. This is Ta. Kindly read after me. Ta. Ta comes from tip of the tongue, touches the gum behind the upper front two teeth. To pronounce Ta. Ta. This is Sa. Kindly read after me. Sa. Sa comes from tip of the tongue, touches the edge of upper front teeth. The tongue comes out a little. Say Sa. Sa. This is Jim. Kindly read after me. Jim. Jim comes from center of the tongue. To pronounce Jim. Jim. This is Ha. Kindly read after me. Ha. This is light letter. Ha comes from center of the throat. To pronounce Ha. Ha. This is Kha. Kindly read after me. Kha. This is heavy letter. Kha comes from upper portion of throat. To pronounce Kha. Kha. This is Dal. Kindly read after me. Dal. Dal comes from tip of the tongue, touches the root of the front upper teeth. To pronounce Dal. Dal. This is Zal. Kindly read after me. Zal. Zal comes from tip of the tongue touches the edge of upper front teeth. To pronounce zal, zal. This is raw. Kindly read after me. Raw. Raw comes from tip of the tongue, touches the roof of the mouth. Say raw, raw. For more Qaida videos, please subscribe our channel and also like and share. Jazakallahu khairan.